I'll be teaching you how to code a star-like circle using multiple squares. First of all, let's reduce our sprite. Let's reduce it to 45. After that, we can decide to hide the sprite. So hide it here or leave it alive. So let's bring it out. So we go to our events block. From the events block, bring in your when flag is lit. Then you go to your extension as usual. In the extension, click on the pen. From the pen, bring in erase all. After bringing in your eraser, bring in pen down. After bringing in your pen down, look for set pen size. Set pen size. See it here is 1, but you just have to change it to 5. Set pen size to 5. After that, you go to your control. From your control block, code block, look for repeats. This one, bring it out and change this 10. Repeat 10 times, change it to 12. Then we need another repeat. Another one we have to be inside. So you are putting it inside because you are coding a square and a square has 4 sides. So you put 4 here. Then you now go to your motion. From your motion block, bring in move. Let the move be under the 4 repeats. And that move should be converted to 50 steps. Change your steps to 50. Then you go to your turn right. Turn 15-degree right. Bring it in this one. Bring it in and let it be 90 degrees because the angles in a square are 90 degrees. Each edge of the square is 90 degrees. So when you bring it in, you now go back to in fact, run the code first. Let's run the code. See that it's drawing a square and it has drawn a square 12 times. So that's not what we want. Let's put a stop and go back to your motion. From this motion, you add 50 moves here. Put 50 in this place, add your 50. Add your 50. Go to the same turn right degree, that's 15-degree right. Bring in and change this one to 30. Let's use 30 there and run the code again. You see it now. Now it's on one single color. Color blue. Let's move this code. Let's move the whole code up a bit so our sprite can move up a bit. So you go back to your pen. Let's add little beauty to it by bringing in change pen color. This is a change pen color. Can be placed anywhere. So I'll place it in 3 different locations. Let's put it here first and see the result. This is 10. We can still leave it on 10 and run the code. We are getting different colors from that spot. Then let's remove it from there and put it here. Let's run the code from here too. You see it now. If I remove it from here and I place it here, I'm still getting another code too. Same color. So wherever I want to remove it, wherever I want to put it is left for me, and wherever you want it to be is left for you. But the best place it should be is here. And when it is here, you can reduce the size of your script and move it up. Move everything up a bit and run it now. So let me put it on a full screen for you. Let's move it up a bit and put it on a full screen for you. Let it be on a full screen, then you now run now. So I want to believe you have gotten. Now you look at this edge. Why we call it a star-like circle. Look at this edge. See that it looks like a rising sun, a shining sun. That's why we call it, that's why it is called a star-like circle. So I want to believe you enjoyed the class. We see in another class. Thank you.